Welcome to MCAV channel. We are the interaction team. Today, we're introducing you to the simulation software we have been worked on for the past half a year. We were able to use robotic operating system to pass the message from the simulator to the actual algorithm. The data passed include LiDAR, radar, and most importantly, camera data. We can see in the right screen how the computer actually sees the world.
So the blue line in the right hand panel is the pre-programmed path, while the green line is the currently planned path that has been dynamically assigned to the car. So the arrow on the orange path indicates the vector map that has been loaded into the path planning software.
One of the more impressive part of the simulation is that we didn't modify the autonomous driving algorithm. It's able to perform even with the simulated data input, which demonstrated the robustness.
So the complex intersections are currently one of the major challenges for the autonomous driving simulator. In the simulator, we can see that the path is quite well defined and that the car follows the vector map. However, in real life, there can be construction, visual obstructions, and different weather conditions that affect the driving performance.
Our vision for the simulator in the future is to provide hundreds or even thousands of autonomous driving vehicles. That's going to validate the performance of the autonomous driving software in more unstructured environment. We are to investigate both the interaction between different algorithms from different companies and algorithms with human drivers, and prepare for the fully autonomous future. Thank you for watching.